Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Begin by removing loose dirt with a stiff suede brush, using 10 to 15 short strokes along the nap to lift debris without flattening fibers. Next, test any cleaner or protector on a hidden patch and wait 24 hours to confirm no color change. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep the shoes at room temperature, about 68 degrees F to 72 degrees F, to avoid moisture condensation. Remove laces and stuff shoes with paper to maintain shape before starting the cleaning steps. For light scuffs, use a rubber suede eraser and rub gently until the mark lifts, then brush to restore the nap. For heavier stains, use a specialized Nubuck cleaner diluted 1:4 with water and apply sparingly with a damp Nubuck cloth, moving from the outer edge toward the center. Blot excess moisture immediately with a dry cloth. Do not rub vigorously. Air dry naturally on a shoe tree or stuffed with paper for 6 to 12 hours, avoiding direct heat or sunlight that can shrink or fade. Once fully dry, restore the nap by brushing gently with a nylon or brass-tipped suede brush in one single direction to align fibers and create a uniform look. If color looks uneven, use a suede recoloring spray matched to the original shade and apply thin layers, letting each dry 20 to 30 minutes. Finish by applying a thin, even coat of water-repellent protector spray from 8 to 10 inches away and let it cure for 12 to 24 hours before wearing. Reapply protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.